If you are in the UK and you are possibly looking at buying the DJI Mini 2, there is a huge offer which is currently on Amazon, and this is the cheapest I've ever seen the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo. The DJI Mini 2 is by far the most popular drone pretty much all over the world due to its wind resistance properties, its strong connection, and its 4K camera, all in a absolutely unbeatable 249 grams or less, depending on which model you have. Basically meaning that it beats most of the restrictions worldwide and you can pretty much fly it absolutely anywhere. Now, this drone, as I've said, is currently on offer at Amazon for the cheapest I've ever seen it for the Fly More combo. Not to mention, if you are interested in just a beginner drone and want to spend a little less money, the DJI Mavic Mini is also on offer on Amazon as well, and again, a really keen price. If you want to buy any of these, you can do so clicking this card directly, and that will take you straight to the Amazon page. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I just wanted to provide that little bit of information for you because the Mini 2 is by far the most popular drone, and usually DJI don't really reduce their prices too much on their drones, but of course this opportunity is something that you should grab with both hands. If you are possibly looking at upgrading the Mavic Mini or just getting the Mini 2 for the first time, the time is now. Thank you very much for watching and see you again soon.